How to skip wait time in GeForce Now. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up two different websites. The first one is status.geforcenow.com and the second one is gfn.zotos.me. and over here this is basically the servers, and you have to find the server with lowest number, and this one seems to be the lowest over here. So what we will do is we will copy this particular server's code and go to the other website, and over here we will expand different servers to check the code on them and find them. So this will take a little longer. So the shortcut is that you press Ctrl F, or if you are on a Mac then press Command F, and then just simply paste the code and click enter, and you will be able to find the particular server. Just open up GeForce Now and change your server to this one, which is basically EU Northeast, and this way you would be able to reduce your waiting time, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.